It tickles. Ellie.
Can you tickle Daddy? Rebecca, come here. Come tickle Daddy's feet. Can you tickle Daddy?
Okay.
Ellie, sit.
Take off.
Can you take Daddy's sock off?
Help.
You need help? You can do it.
It's not hot.
Whoa!
Ellie, where's your ball? Ellie, where's your ball? Go get your ball, Ellie.
Rebecca, I can't see you. I'm videoing.
Don't you hate whenever you want to take a picture but yet you video and stand still just like that?
Can you do a flip?
No.
Yes, you can, kind of.
Ellie, you were playing with your ball. Find your ball.
Rebecca, do a flip.
Do a flip.
No.
Do a flip.
No. Daddy.
Yes, thank you.
No. Daddy.
Rebecca, how old are you?
Liz,
Yeah.
did you ever used to wear your socks like this? You'd buy socks that come all the way up here, yet you'd scrunch them down.
Yeah, probably about, what, 3rd or 4th grade?
3rd or 4th grade.
Rebecca, how old are you? Say 19 months.
Can you say 19 months? Are you going to sit up by me? Sit up here.
No. Bye.
See ya.
Rebecca, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Oh, why? You're getting better at saying.
Yeah, that was plain.
You sure? Oh, Ellie got in the way. Are you sure? Oh, not as funny anymore? Do you want to do it? Here. Look down. Want to do it again?
Just.
You want to do the blue one? Okay, you ready? Okay, you want to do the black one? Ellie, what are you doing, Ellie?
Rebecca, come here. Rebecca, come here. Come here. Come say hi to the camera.
Hey, go say hi to the camera. Are you sucking in?
Just say hi.
All I gotta do is turn around and wave.
Can you say bye?
I'm really upset that Rebecca gets all the attention.
Rebecca, can you say bye?
Bye.
Say I love you.